Hi guys, welcome back to Homemaking with Heather. Today I need to clean my backyard. As you see, it is a hot mess. So I need to get this done before lunchtime. We're supposed to go out and eat some Mexican food. Alright. Hi guys, good morning. So let me go ahead and get started here on what exactly happened to the backyard. After the wind and the rain, my backyard was in serious need of a cleaning. I do keep my parrots outside as much as I can. They have these smaller cages, which are actually cat kennels. Normally, if you have parrots, medium-sized or small, these are not going to work for you. Your bird could squeeze their heads through and possibly hurt themselves. I supervise my parrots when they are outside so they don't hurt themselves. You should do what works for you and your bird and just keep their safety in mind. Okay, moving on. The back patio stores our weightlifting equipment and our barbecue. This is our Congo African Gray Alma. She's the only one that talks. Right now she'll run through her favorite phrases in the morning. Some of those are tired, you go night-night. What? She's so funny. I'm gonna get started sweeping this back area right here. This is where we normally keep our bird cages, so that way they can have some sun in the morning when I bring them out. The white parrot is our bare-eyed cockatoo Boop. She can only say one word, and that's hello. If she tells you that, it usually means that she hates you and she wants to mess you up. Thankfully, she doesn't say that too often. Every year around this time, she gets very hormonal and just wants to stay inside. She is tearing apart boxes right now, so that's where she wants to be most of the time. This is Boop Boop. I am so lucky that I bought all of my exercise equipment before the pandemic hit. I've heard that nobody can find anything right now, and I've never had to go without access to any kind of fitness. Now, do I work out every day? No, definitely not. I only use this equipment a couple times a week. I actually enjoy going on walks and short runs more than lifting right now. Most of the mess back here is just leaves and dirt and bird seed that has been blown in by the wind. After I get a chance to sweep all of this up, I'm going to go ahead and spray everything down. Okay guys, I need to clean that barbecue. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of Dawn, wash it down, dry it off, get it all nice and clean for the next time we decide to barbecue. Yeah, this is so disgusting. So we actually used this barbecue last week and I forgot to put the cover on. The barbecue was so dirty and so messy. It was just covered with dirt. I'm not gonna do that again. That was such a pain. Do you guys use a cleaner on your barbecue? I thought Dawn would work to get some of this dirt off, but there's a lot of grease. Maybe I should have used a degreaser. Let me know below what you guys use to clean your barbecues, and then I'll give that a shot the next time I clean it. Just in case you guys are new here, my name is Heather. I became a stay-at-home mom for the first time in August 2020. I have 2 teenagers who are in online learning right now, along with 2 parrots and 2 cats. Being at home has become a priority right now. I am so happy to be able to stay at home and be able to help my kids and bring you these videos. I'm very excited to be making these. They're so much fun to do. On my channel, you will find cleaning motivation, grocery hauls, and vlogs of everyday life. Well, this is going to be the last little bit that I do today. I'm just going to wipe all the water off of all the equipment. Thank you guys for cleaning with me today. If you guys enjoyed watching this kind of video, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any more just like this one. All right, bye guys, and I'll see you next time.